Hi, welcome to Early World History with Mr. Germain. We are going to be focusing on your first week's assignment, which includes the Middle Ages. These are graded assignments, and if you're seeing this little circle with a line through it, it means you haven't submitted it yet and it's past due. Don't panic. I know some of you have just started to log on, so here's what you're going to have to do in order for you to get a grade for your first week assignment. Clicking on the Middle Ages, you are going to be doing a reading and then answering questions in response to the reading. The Early Middle Ages document will pop up. If you see it's not displaying, it may be an issue with your pop-up blocker. Make sure you reach out and let us know if you're struggling with it, okay? So this document's one page. It's about the Early Middle Ages, also known as the Dark Ages. You're going to read up on all of the information listed here for this first page, and then you're going to go and click on the question and respond to the question. It might be a good idea to have the questions on one side of the screen and then have the reading passage on the other side of the screen. So when you read the question, you can go back and find the answer somewhere in this document. If you're using the Word document, you can click Enable Editing, and it's going to allow for you to be able to type throughout this entire thing, and then you can save it to your computer and upload it into your assignment. To do that, you will click on Submit Assignment. It's going to pop up a couple of choices. You can upload a file, so if you typed everything into a Word document, you don't have to copy and paste. You can actually attach that file here. Or, if you were just typing your answers real quick, you can do so in a box like this. Whichever method you choose, once you're ready to submit it, you click the Submit button and it will be sent to Mr. Germain for grading. That is assignment number 1. When you go back to your home, assignment number 2 is on feudalism. So we go down to feudalism, click on the page, and similar to the previous assignment, you are going to be analyzing a document with reading and answering questions. In this situation, it's going to focus on the document here, and you are going to be responding to the questions down below. There are 4 of them. Once you've typed up your answers, you can go and again hit Submit Assignment, either upload it or copy and paste it into the text box and send it to Mr. Germain for grading. That is your week 1 assignments. If you have any questions or if things are having an issue popping up on your screen, please make sure that you're reaching out so that way we can fix those mistakes.